Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Whea Uncorrectable error in Windows 11. If your PC suddenly shows a blue screen with this error and restarts, don't panic. This guide is simple and suitable even if you have zero knowledge about Windows 11. Let's start with the easiest solution. First, restart your computer. Sometimes this error appears temporarily and goes away after a normal restart. If the error keeps coming back, let's move to the next step. Turn off your computer completely. Now, disconnect all external devices like USB drives, external hard disks, printers, or extra cables. Only keep your keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected. Now, turn your computer back on and see if Windows starts normally. If the problem is still there, let's continue. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on Restart from the Power menu. Keep holding Shift until you see a blue screen. Now, click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on Advanced Options. Next, click on Startup Settings. Now, click on Restart. When the PC restarts, press number 4 on your keyboard to enter Safe Mode. Once Windows starts in Safe Mode, click on the Start button and open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Now, click on Check for Updates. Install all available updates. Windows updates often fix system and hardware-related errors. After updating, restart your computer normally. If the error still appears, let's try another simple fix. Right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. Find Disk Drives and expand it. Right-click on your main drive and click on Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click on Check. Let Windows scan and fix any disk problems. Now, restart your PC again. If you're still facing the Whea error, here's one last thing you can try. Make sure your laptop or desktop is not overheating. Place it on a flat surface with good airflow. If it's a laptop, avoid using it on a bed or sofa. Overheating can trigger this error. And that's it. This is how you fix the Whea Uncorrectable error in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.